fighting to digitize education, deploying millions of laptops, tablets to schools. But they overlook one particular thing, and that is connectivity and access to energy. Now, that is why we built ChargeByte.
At Soaring Technology, we're redefining how decentralized networks are built, managed, and most importantly, how they're sustained. No networking engineer, no command line. This is truly democratizing network management.
Network infrastructure is absolutely critical, and maybe most importantly, increasingly impacted by climate change and climate risks. This is why Moai brings the network optimization of the future.
We developed a solution that we entitled our Hello Hub solution. It's about solar power, it's about Wi-Fi and excellent bandwidth.
What if you could stay connected anywhere on Earth, no matter how far, how remote, or how alone? At Creios Space, we are fixing that by placing the satellites lower than ever before, at 200 kilometers. That's what's called very low Earth orbit.
SomaLink is an all-in-one, solar-powered, AI-backed and fiber-backed infrastructure that converts a community into an internet infrastructure zone.
Finger.io, which is an open-source IoT platform that allows to create, scale, and manage connected products, is giving us, or Giga, the ability to ensure the connectivity across the schools, no matter the location.